Hi everyone, this is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make another Mexican dish. I'm going to be showing you how to make ground beef fajitas. I hope you like them. Remember, you'll find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. In a large skillet on high heat, we're going to heat up 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and we're going to cook the onion for 1 minute. After a minute, now we're going to add in the bell peppers, give it a stir, and then season with salt and black pepper to taste. Stir once again and cook for 2 more minutes or until the peppers are a bit softer. I like my peppers to have some crunch, so I only cook them for 2 minutes, but if you want them to be super soft, feel free to cook them for a longer time. After that, now remove the onions and the bell peppers from the skillet. And then in the same skillet, we're going to add in another half a tablespoon of oil, and we're going to cook the ground meat on high heat. Don't forget to use a spoon to break down the meat a little bit. You don't want any big chunks of meat in there, so make sure to break it down a little bit. And then we're just going to cook the ground meat on high heat for about 8 to 10 minutes or until the meat has some color. You want it to get brown a little bit. After about 10 minutes or so, once the meat has a little bit of color, now we're going to add in the minced garlic, and we will also season this with the chili powder, the dry oregano, ground cumin, and black pepper, and salt to taste. Stir to make sure the meat is well seasoned, and just cook for another minute, stirring frequently, just so the garlic will start releasing its flavor. And then after a minute, we're going to add in the juice of 1 lime. Stir once again, taste the flavor, add more salt and pepper if needed. Then continue to cook this on high heat until all the liquid in the skillet is evaporated. And then after that, once the liquid is gone, now we're going to add in the onions and the bell peppers back into the skillet. Stir once again. Sprinkle with fresh cilantro, and then continue to cook this for 2 more minutes or until the bell peppers and the onions are well heated through. And that's about it. Once everything is well heated through, now you can serve it. And you can serve it on flour tortillas, garnish with avocado slices, sprinkle with fresh cilantro, and serve it with your favorite salsa. Or you can also serve it on tostadas or with a side of rice and beans. And that's about it. This is so delicious. I really recommend it. Enjoy. To print this and some other delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember, you also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest. I'm everywhere, so all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!